Hi and welcome to Synapse. Here is the most awaited video on notes making. Before we get into notes making, I want you to understand the difference between active learning and passive learning. Passive learning refers to just trying to read, memorize a particular content, while active learning refers to correlating, understanding, and finally consolidating the content in your own words. Notes making is an extremely important and crucial component of active learning. The different ways of taking notes, here is what I use. So let's get started. First, you need a material to write on. You could use a traditional notebook, ruled or unruled. Alternatively, you could use spiral-bound notebooks which look very appealing and hassle-free to work with. And finally, my personal favorite, A4 size sheets. The advantage of using sheets is that you could add any amount of information in between your notes and even rearrange the information the way you like. Once you're done making the notes, you could file the sheets in a ring binder like this. Another popular option is digital notes making, which we shall throw light upon in another video. Next, it's advisable to invest in a good set of pens. To begin with, you need simple or regular pens, ballpoint or gel pen, which you would use to write the majority of notes, and of course, a pencil. Here are fine-tipped color pens which are absolutely lovely to write with. Then get yourself a set of brush pens which make your notes look more aesthetic. Well, these are not an essential part of your stationery. Writing with these will add that sparkle to your notes. You know what I mean? Now to the highlighters for the very obvious use. Pick nice and sober colors. No one wants to scratch in their notes, so use a correction pen. Here's to the most brilliant invention of the 20th century, the sticky notes. Now to the page layout. I would suggest having double margins for your notes. The left margin is for the date, bullets and numbering, while the right margin is for the correlates, which are integrating points from interdisciplinary subjects. I follow the QEC pattern, that is, question, explanation and conclusion pattern of notes making, wherein the notes begins with a question. That could be the title itself. Then there is relevant explanation and elaboration of the topic with relevant diagrams and references. The keywords are written using fine-tipped color pens and FAQs are highlighted. Make sure not to use more than 3 colors at once, because we are not here to make rainbows but notes. Finally, concluding the topic with the takeaway points. Here is another technique called the split notes method, wherein the page is folded in half and more information can be accommodated in less space. This is useful especially for factual subjects. That's all for today's video. If you found the content useful, like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Do join our community on Instagram at Learn Synapse. Take care until next time.